how to replace coolant. So check this out. Just under the radiator you will see this knob, this one. Just open it and the radiator will, the coolant will fall out. Ta-da! Okay, it has drained. This is the cap thing, this is the seal. It is on there, and just put it back on. Here are the coolant dilution ratios. You can decide as per your environment. I'll just keep it 50-50 over. And just pour it in. Next, some water. Bloop, 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 and it's full. Okay, the coolant level is still here. You cannot see it in the video. Close it.